Everyone, this is Mahender. This video is for class 9 students, subject mathematics, chapter 4, lines and angles. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 4.4, problem number 15. Let us see the question. This is a given question and this is a given figure. In the adjacent figure, it is given that BC is parallel to DE and angle BAC is equals 35 degrees and angle BCE is equals to 102 degrees. Find the measure of first bit angle BCA, second one angle ADE and third one CED we have to find here. Let us understand the question first. So this is the given figure. So BC, this BC is parallel to this DE, okay, and BAC given 35 degrees, here is the angle, and next BCE given 102 degrees, and we have to find BCA, this angle we have to find, and ADE, this angle we have to find, as well as CED, this angle we have to find. Okay, right, let us see. So in this figure, if you observe, this 102 degrees plus BCA, this BCA makes a straight angle, isn't it? Because this is a straight line, so this angle plus this angle makes 180 degrees. That is nothing but 102 degrees plus this angle we can call here BCA is equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? Because we can call them linear pair angles, isn't it? Linear pair angles. Okay, right, let's see here. They are linear pair angles. If you transpose this 102 degrees to RHS side, it becomes 180 degrees minus 102. The answer is 78 degrees. Okay, now we got already BCA here. That is our first bit. Okay, right, the first bit is over. Next, coming to second bit, angle ADE. So if you observe angle ADE, where is angle ADE? Here is angle ADE, this angle, and CBD, this angle. Sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degrees again. How? Look at here. So we know that these two lines are parallel. BC and DE are parallel lines. This is a transversal, and this angle are consecutive interior angles. Sum of two consecutive interior angles is equals to 180 degrees, or we can say sum of two consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary is nothing but sum of the two angles is equals to 180 degrees, or we can say in another way also, the two interior angles which lies one side of the transversal, if they are not adjacent, that sum of the two angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so look at here. Angle ADE, here is the angle ADE plus angle CBD, this, it means simply we can say this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degrees, because interior angles on the same side of the transversal, or we can say them consecutive interior angles. Sum of the two consecutive interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, right. So we have already this CBD. CBD is nothing but, look at here, this CBD angle is equals to BAC plus BCA, because if you observe this carefully, this CBA is a triangle, this is the exterior angle of the CBA triangle. The CBA angle is equal to sum of these two opposite interior angles. Did you get that? Once again I am repeating here. So what I am telling here, the CBD angle is equals to this BAC plus BCA, because the CBA is a triangle and this is the exterior angle of the triangle. That exterior angle is equals to sum of these two interior angles. Okay, right. Yeah.